Hey, it's Elizabeth with Charleston Digs. I want to get on here really quick just to go over a few tips for really maximizing the value of your home. So, of course, when we're talking about upgrades and, things to do for your home to get your home ready to sell, not all upgrades are created equal. A lot of people are under the impression that if whatever I do to upgrade my home, it's going to increase the value of your home, and unfortunately, that isn't always the case. But I do want to go over some very valuable upgrades that will definitely help increase the value of your home. And so before I go over those tips, I definitely want to kind of point out, of course, the obvious. We have seen a ton of changes in the market in the past few years, and it's really changed what buyers are really interested in. And that's, of course, with the pandemic and everything else that's happening, we're seeing just differences in that's things that are important to buyers. So tip number one, update your appliances and systems. A lot of times buyers really care about the age of the roof. So if it's an older roof, then we want to make sure that, it's of course up to date, but also it unfortunately might be losing a little bit of its functionality, which of course can impact the value of your home. And we all know how important air conditioning is in Charleston, South Carolina. So we want to make sure that HVAC unit is really working at its top speed, and want to make sure there's no issues with that. So when it comes to your kitchen, buyers of course really like to see stainless steel appliances. So consider that to be an upgrade if that is at all possible, because stainless steel appliances does help to update the entire look of your kitchen and really helps to kind of have that bright new type of look you want. Tip two, we really want to update the functionality of usable square footage. So with the pandemic in the past few years, we really have seen a rise in remote work, which of course increases the popularity of home offices. So if there's a way to create a home office within your home, it's going to really set your home apart. And also to open floor plan. Open floor plan has been very popular for a number of years, but buyers are definitely increasingly looking for open floor plans because they're spending more time at home. So if there's a way to kind of do that, then by all means, definitely will help the value of your home. Tip three is curb appeal. We want to make sure that curb appeal is very nice. Of course, it includes your lawn to be mowed and everything to be nice and, pristine when it comes to that. But also too, it's adding flowers. It's, putting, plants in flower pots around your home, things like that, as well as too, is making sure that everything, of course, like I said, is very nice and manicured. Upgrade your outdoor spaces. So we want to make sure that the functionality of your outdoor space, if it's a deck or outdoor kitchen or outdoor fireplace, we want to make sure, of course, those items are working and they're at their working ability, but also to want to make sure they're nice and clean, pressure washed. And if there is any fixes, of course, or any little improvements that you can make to really maximize that space, we absolutely want to do that as well. And remember, not every single update has to be very large. It can be as little as interior paint, one room that maybe is not the most trendiest color anymore. Or of course, it can be just changing out your mailbox, changing out your house numbers, some exterior paint on the eaves of your home. Something small like that can really also set your home apart, especially in the photos. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks for watching.